Residents in Steerfield, St. Anne are this evening challenging the police's version of events which led to the fatal shooting of two brothers in the community. The Independent Commission of Investigations, Indicom, is investigating the incident, but the political representative wants it to be thorough and quick.
They kill them in the cold blood. Left him 1-year-old baby. With him 1 year, you take the baby from him and murder him. Oh!
Emotions rang high in Steerfield, St. Anne Monday morning as residents tried to come to terms with a police fatal shooting in the community, which claimed the lives of brothers Davian Henry, otherwise called Dada, and Ramon Henry, otherwise called Horseman. Reports indicate that a team from the Area 5 Fugitive Apprehension Team conducted an operation at Ramon Henry's home, who was allegedly in possession of a prohibited weapon and unauthorized ammunition.
It's just a complete shock. The community is truly devastated, as you saw from the tears and the continued crying. This doesn't happen in this area, and certainly with these young men, it's the last thing anybody expected.
The police say upon entering the premises, the two men, who were armed with a pistol in a room to the left and the other with a shotgun in a room to the right, pointed their weapons at the cops and opened fire. The police returned fire and the men were shot and the firearms seized. But residents are challenging the police's version of the incident, insisting the men were not criminals.
All we are trying to make two ends meet. So what kind of system the police? We can't trust the police them. Anything we can check up the phone and call and say, officer, no, so we have a problem right here. Them same one is coming for us.
This don't really look good, and sound good, right? And it put a edge on the community right now, right? Knowing that the people who are supposed to protect us, right, they're basically turning against us. Yes, and I feel so out of place.
It's further reported that while the lawmen were assisting the injured man to the service vehicle to seek medical attention, angry residents blocked the roadway, preventing them from immediately transporting the man to hospital. The brothers were eventually rushed to hospital, where they were pronounced dead. In the meantime, Member of Parliament for South East St. Anne, Dr. Kenneth Russell, wants a thorough and speedy investigation.
What the people are saying is completely different from what the police has reported. So many pieces of this story just don't add up. The baby, the warrant, the shooting, so much of it just doesn't make any sense. And so I'm glad Indicom came by today, and I'm hoping that we're going to get a quick, thorough investigation and that the people can truly see justice in this matter. Because as things stand right now, it's not looking as though the police had the same experience that the community had.